Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about this site can't be reached problem Google Chrome. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the search tab from the bottom of the screen and search for Control Panel. Open it up and change the icon style to large icons. Now, click on the Internet Options embed and inside the dialog box, go to the Connections tab and then select LAN Settings. Here, make sure that this checkbox is unmarked and close it. Then go to the Advanced Settings and restore all of the advanced settings by clicking on this button and then close everything. After that, open the Control Panel app again and this time click on Network and Internet. Here, select View Network Status, then click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, your active Wi-Fi device will be displayed here. Simply right-click on it and disable it. After that, re-enable it and open up its properties. Inside its properties, make sure that the Obtain IP automatically is selected, same for the DNS feature. But if the problem isn't solved, change the DNS settings to manual and set this address inside it. Save and close everything, then check if the problem is solved. After that, open up the Settings app, go to the Network Settings like me and reset your network settings completely. Then, open the command prompt as an admin, type in the following command and press enter. Once it completes, enter the next command. And once the above steps are done, flush your PC's DNS by using this command. Hopefully your problem will be solved. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.